First, sign up on Ecwid using your name, email, and password. Confirm your email, and you'll instantly get access to the free plan. Next, add your products. Go to Catalog, click Add Product, and enter the name, description, images, price, and stock. You can create simple products with variations like size or color, or digital products with downloadable files. Then, organize your store by creating categories. Use parent and subcategories to help customers find products easily. After that, set up payments. Ecwid supports Stripe, PayPal, Square, and offline payments like bank transfer or cash on delivery. Now, configure shipping. Choose a carrier, set shipping rates, and define shipping zones so customers know where and how you deliver. Next, review your settings. Add your business details, currency, taxes, and legal pages like privacy and returns policies. Learn the order management system. From the dashboard, you can view orders, print invoices, update order status, and manage refunds. Customize your store design using Ecwid's Instant Site Editor. Edit layouts, blocks, and product pages, then publish your changes. Connect your own domain name for a more professional look. Finally, test everything. Place test orders, check payments and shipping, and once everything works, your Ecwid store is ready to go live.